Want to build your very first website in just 5 minutes? Let's do it together right now, and you need absolutely no experience. Seriously, by the end of this video, you'll have created a real working web page. Let's get started. First up, let's create the basic structure of our web page. It's like building the skeleton. Open any text editor on your computer. Something simple like Notepad or TextEdit will work perfectly. Now, type this out with me. We start with a doctype declaration, then an HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag, we need a head and a body. The head section holds information about the page, like the title. Let's add a title tag and call it My First Page. Next, we'll work inside the body tags. This is where all the visible content goes. We'll start with the main structure of the page. Let's create a main container using a div tag. Inside this div, we'll add our content. First, a heading. We use an H1 tag for the most important heading. Let's type Hello World. This will be the main title visitors see on our page. Underneath the heading, let's add some text. For a standard paragraph, we use the P tag. So type a P tag and inside it, write "This is my first web page." It's that simple. We've got a heading and a paragraph. Now, what's a web page without some interaction? Let's add a button. To do this, we use the button tag. Inside the button tags, let's write the text that will appear on the button, like "Click me." So far, we have our structure. We have an H1 for the heading, AP for the paragraph, and a button for a clickable button. These are some of the most fundamental building blocks of any website. Take a moment to look at your code. You've just written a complete HTML document. Save this file as index.html. Make sure you save it with the HTML extension. That part is very important. Now, let's make it look a little nicer. HTML gives us the structure, but CSS or cascading style sheets gives us the style. We can add our CSS directly into our HTML file for this simple project. Inside the head section, right below the title, add a style tag. This is where we'll write our styling rules. Let's target the body first. We'll type body and then curly braces. Inside, let's change the font. We'll use font family sans serif. This gives it a clean, modern look. Let's also center everything on the page. We can do that with text align center. Now, let's style the main container we created that will give it a light gray background with background color. Hashtag F0, F0, F0. Some padding to give the content space with padding, 20 px, and rounded corners with border radius 10 px. How about that button? Let's make it more appealing. We'll target the button tag. Let's give it a nice blue background with background color number 007 BFF and white text with color white. We'll remove the default border with border none. Add some padding with padding 10 px to OPX and make the corners rounded with border radius 5 px. Let's also make the cursor change to a pointer when you hover over it with cursor pointer. To add a cool hover effect, we'll add another rule button, hover. Inside, let's change the background color slightly to a darker blue-like background color. Hashtag 056B3. This gives the user visual feedback. Okay, save your file again. Now, for the magic moment, find the index.html file you saved on your computer and double-click it. It will open right in your web browser. Look at that. You've got your Hello World heading, your paragraph, and a stylish button that changes color when you hover over it. Go ahead and click that button. You've just created your first interactive website from scratch. How cool is that? If you enjoyed this and want more super quick front-end tutorials just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for building with me, and I'll see you in the next video.